Good evening traders and welcome to BCI's evening market update. Let's take a quick look at the key moves driving markets today, starting with crude oil. Brent rose nearly 2.9% last week as optimism over a Russia-Ukraine ceasefire faded. President Trump reiterated threats of tougher sanctions, but markets remain cautious given little concrete action so far. In the short term, Powell's dovish tone at Jackson Hole has boosted risk appetite, pushing rate expectations for September above 85%. However, looming US secondary tariffs on Indian purchases of Russian oil could weigh on prices if enforced. Turning to the US dollar, Powell's speech triggered a big dovish reaction, but it's not a reason to sell the dollar just yet. While easing expectations are confirmed, they haven't accelerated. This leaves the dollar relatively stable, while high yield and risk sensitive currencies are likely to be the beneficiaries. And in gold, prices surged over 1% on Friday, testing about $3,400 as investors bet on lower rates and a softer dollar. Momentum signals are turning positive, but gold is still trading sideways. Resistance stands at $3,400, while support levels to watch are $3,300 and then the psychological level of $3,200 if pressure builds. That's a wrap for today's market analysis. Thanks for joining us at BCR. We'll be back with more insights. As always, manage your risk and happy trading.